thanks to, first of all, Salman sir and Amir sir for giving us and paying the path for such films like Sultan and Dangal. It gave us so much confidence. Thank you, sir. Thank you, both of you, for starting this journey. And it was, we believed that these kind of films had worked in the past.
Yeah.
And obviously, we followed the same route. And the transformation was inevitable. It has to be done. It is part of the story. When he narrated to me, I remember in my house, वो नीचे अच्छा carpet डाल के पूरा script ऐसा रख के, he was going by one reading, and 2 hours 40 minutes. I didn't have anything to say. I just got up and we started this journey. I knew it was going to be physically very, very tiring, and it's all worth it for this man and the subject he's written. It is a very, very sincere film. This is about a man's search for his identity. So everybody, we all need some kind of an identity to live, to go through the day. And this is about Piddi, who's finding his identity. Oh, identity crisis रहता है. Through that, how he has found an identity for a very, very big reason, very big, larger cause, and what all he had to go through. The crossover athlete, क्यों crossover athlete बना है? So what led him to do what he is? The pain in Delhi, you saw so it's a beautifully etched film. It is organic. At the same time, it's highly commercial, and it will take audience of all ages will be very, very happy and surprised to see this film. And I also believe this is the most inspiring story I have done in my life. Not just me. My dad, my dad saw part of it, and he said, Ram, for anybody to get a film like this, it normally takes a decade. Har saal mein we can't have a Magadhira or RRR. It takes a while. He said, please relish every moment of this, because you're not going to get a movie like this again. So when my Magadhira happened in 2007, then RRR Rangasthalam, it took 10 years. But luckily now abhi to thoda jaldi aa gaya ye film. So good films don't come very easily, and this is one of those films I want to keep in my library forever.
You just talked about RRR, sir. There's this observation, you know, people say जब आप bow and arrow उठाते हो तो भगवान राम का direct आशीर्वाद मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे it's a mace and a gada. So हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद. Are you like the most blessed superhero that we have? ऊपर से boss की पूरी blessings मिल रही हैं?
Thank you.
है ना?
Completely needed. I mean, my name is Hanuman Ram Charan ke Tej. So I'm a big follower, and then he's the god of Kusti, you know.
Yes. What did you love the most, sir? Like कुश्ती, cricket या क्या cross country क्या किया मुझे नहीं पता है.
Cross country. Kusti, yaar. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, Janvi. Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, Janvi is on top of the list. But I mean, it's physically challenging. I don't know how Amir sir and Salman sir has done it. I have a lot of injuries. But every single day there was this feeling where I want to wake up today and go to sets.
Right.
It was not like school ja rahe yaar today kitna shooting karna hai. No, I don't want to leave my sets. This is one of the first few movies where I didn't want to leave the sets. I want to wake up at 5, work out and go there. So as a schoolboy jaise tha. So it is very interesting that that feeling we should retain when we're doing a movie.
Right.
You know you're doing something right.